VRZoo. The sun is shining, laughing children are running around, curiously watching exotic animals. All the little ones are happy. Really, all of them? Little Leuphana isn't. In nature, an elephant herd walks about 48 kilometers a day. In zoos, they are kept in small enclosures, which doesn't even come close to their needs. In their natural habitat, African elephants reach an age of around 60 to 70 years, while in captivity the average is only a third of it. What gives us the right to capture and mistreat other living and feeling creatures for our public entertainment? We need to change something. Our vision is to trigger the process of developing a more conscious and respectful mindset regarding animal treatment and raising a generation which couldn't imagine an animal in a cage. Our first step in the right direction is to eliminate all zoos and replace them with an even more exciting but not harmful experience. The virtual reality zoo. Imagine walking through an exotic theme park which is divided in different environments. Climate, flora and sounds change regarding to the biotope. Instead of real animals, you see them through VR glasses, even closer than ever before. Explanatory comments can be added for educational reasons to understand their natural behavior. This VRZoo would use digitality to offer a more realistic information and sustainable adventure so that animals like little Leuphana can live peaceful in their natural habitat free from captivity and fear.